Hi everybody, I'm Melissa.
And I'm Easton.
Right now we are on board the Disney Destiny and we are getting ready to sail away, and we want to take you on a walk through our Oceanview stateroom. Me personally, I prefer a veranda room.
I actually like the inside rooms, so.
But at the end of this, stay tuned all the way until the end, and we are going to discuss kind of how we feel after we've sailed in this room and tell you any quirks or crazy things going on.
Come on in, guys. So welcome to our portal room, is what they call it, I believe, tour aboard the Disney Destiny. So come on in right here. It's pretty similar to every other room, the veranda rooms and yada, 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 etc., etc. But we don't have the veranda, which we'll get to in a second. But first I want to talk about the Hercules theme. Guys, Hercules is my favorite Disney animated movie. I love this movie. I can watch it time after time, and the theming is on point. Like, we have Hercules, like, just look at that Hades. Anyway, sorry, I love it. I have to take some time to admire it, but we have a queen-sized bed right here, and then there on the other side, you can see we have European outlets.
You better turn that bottle around.
Sorry, Mickey, we can't let Mickey see that.
Yeah, you can't let Mickey see. Okay, but everyone asks about the outlets and what kind of chargers. There's USB-A, USB-C on this side of the bed, light switches, a drawer.
And then we
Okay.
have a drawer as well.
People want to know, where can I charge my devices? Because I have to charge my magic bands, my phones, my everything.
Right there. And there's plenty of space around, which we'll get to in a second. These lamps, you can adjust the lighting, brighter or dimmer. Same thing with these little reading lights. You can kind of direct them and adjust how bright or dim they are.
And here you go. Here's the outlets on the other side of the bed. So on this side, you have two USB-C type ports, so you can bring cables accordingly for that.
As well as a drawer right there.
Oh, and what about the secret? See, there's a light there that shines on the artwork. Show them how to turn that brighter and darker.
You can turn on the light right here, and if you press and hold it, it gets bright.
And then if you want it dim
You
for
can press and hold
nighttime,
it again, and it'll dim.
there you go. Little tidbit there.
Ooh,
All
very
right.
special. My favorite part, we have the curtain. Ooh, now you can't see me.
That gives really nice privacy between the area where the kids sleep and the grown-ups.
It
So
does.
I kind of like the curtain there.
And then we have our couch here, which folds down into a bed, as well as in this room, we have a upper berth that comes down as well, which I can't wait to show you guys this room at night, because I know what's up there. And if you've seen our other room tours, you do too. And I'm very excited to see it in person. Then we have our Hercules artwork right here, kind of his journey from being a scrawny little kid, and then Phil turns him into the god Hercules.
I'm sure they could see it. All right.
So cool.
I do want to mention, so this window, you're standing, you can sit in it, right?
Again.
I'll demonstrate that. There are curtains, there are sheer curtains for privacy, and there are room darkening curtains as well if you want to block out the light for nap time. Okay, but I do want to tell you, if you've seen some of our other Oceanview room tours on the Disney Destiny, those portal windows are a lot bigger.
Yes.
Deck 2 on the Disney Destiny is the shortest from floor to ceiling deck. It's smaller because this is the deck the kids clubs are on,
Yes.
interestingly enough. So they've made it shorter. All right, Easton's going to reach up and touch the ceiling there. So look, you can see kind of
I'm flat-footed. It's
Yep, these
shorter.
rooms on deck 2, the ceiling is definitely shorter than the other decks, and so the window is smaller as well, but you'll still get a good view.
You absolutely do get a good
All
view.
right.
Shelving, shelving, shelving. More outlets over here, as well as our Castaway Club gifts.
Show you guys the outlets, because again, everyone asks about these. So there you go, USB-C, and you can also bring a European outlet adapter there that has additional USB-C or USB-A charging ports
And then
in it.
I believe these are red because it's an inaugural sailing, as well as the lanyards. Look at these lanyards, guys. These are so cool. I love this. Love it.
These
So,
are
okay.
Castaway Key gifts. You're part of the Castaway Key Club after your first sailing, and there are different levels for different kind of gifts depending on how many times you've sailed a Disney Cruise Line.
Yes, and then we have drawer with a hair dryer in it, which I'll open up and show because I know some of you guys like to see it.
This is what the hair dryer looks like that comes in the room. If you don't like it, bring your own, but make sure you check the prohibited items list, because some hair dryers are prohibited and they will confiscate them, and you can pick them up on your way off the ship.
Then we have a heat mat to put your curling iron on.
Right?
Tips. Drawer space. Drawer space. And you have your mini fridge, which is a drawer in the new class of ship.
It's very mini in the mini fridge there. It's kind of just more of a drink cooler, right?
It's true.
Okay.
Then we have our big drawer right here, which has all of your
room service menu. This is your breakfast room service menu. If you want to order breakfast for the following day, you can fill this out, select your time you want it delivered, hang it on the door outside your room the night before. They will deliver it the next day. Make sure you tip your room service delivery person. These are postcards. You can fill these out and you can mail them from Disney's Castaway Cay with a Bahamian stamp. It takes about 2 months to get them.
Pretty cool. More shelving space right here, as well as your phone, lotion, TV remote.
Oh, and there is a seat under here if you want to sit at this mirror, this lighted mirror to do makeup. There is trash and recycle under here.
Moving this way, I think we're gonna start with the closet right here.
Hey.
We got some light in here now, and I want to show you guys the closet.
Okay.
So if you come around here,
Storage
see
space.
the ladder for at night, hangers which clatter together at night. So if you push them all the way together on one side, they don't move around as much and make noise at night. Plenty of storage space there in the closet. And then over here we have life vests. We have more shelving space, your laundry bag. Here's your laundry service information.
If you want to see the prices for laundry, you can pause on that.
There you go. Then your safe, which you should definitely put cash, wallet, passport, important items in. More shelving space, more clothing space.
All right, now let's show the bathrooms that I love on Disney Cruise Line.
So, Disney Cruise Line has a split bath design, meaning that the sink room, shower room is separate from the toilet room. So that way you can do both things at once with your party. Beautiful vanity area, has all the essentials,
Right.
soap, toilet, Kleenex.
Shelves. Oh,
Shelves.
and there's a nightlight down there at the bottom, which with the switch right here, you can turn on just the nightlight. You no need to pack a nightlight with you on the Triton class ships. So
Yep.
you have a nightlight ready for you.
Thermostat. And finally, the other half of the split bath design here, your sink / shower room. Here's me. I'm like 5'8", 5'9" in the shower. You can see there's plenty of room for me. My dad might have a little bit of a tougher time. This can somehow
It does. It raises
raise
and
and lower.
lowers.
I'm not
You
gonna
just
figure
turn
it
it.
out.
All right, and there is in the shower body wash, conditioner, and shampoo.
Oh.
And bottles,
you
and
go.
sink here, mirror, wash rags, plenty of towels. If you need more, ask your person. Didn't see it. I think it is in the other room, but there is a Sharps container, and if you need anything like that, you can always ask your room host.
And there you have it. There is our stateroom. Now that it is nighttime, these beds are made down for the night. So as you can see, the upper berth has folded down into the top bunk, and the couch has been made down into the bottom bunk. And if you come over here, you can see the design, since Hercules is a big theme on the ship, is Hercules. And the lyric, or the words there at the top, which every single one has, is "I have often dreamed of a far off place." That's from the song "I Can Go the Distance" from Hercules.
Are you sleeping in the top bunk?
I am gonna sleep in the top bunk just because I love Hercules so much. And that is...
You need to take us up there for a tour.
Alright guys, we have ditched the shoes, and now I'm gonna give you guys the point of view look of what it's like. First of all, there's a nice little lamp here. It has 2 USB-C ports, and then if you turn this on, it's a nice little reading light for at night. Come on, who could beat that?
Thanks for joining us for our stateroom tour of our ocean view room on board the Disney Destiny.
If you guys like this room as much as I do, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think about it.
We have been doing room tours together for many, many years, so check out our YouTube channel for more room tours on other ships as well as the Disney Destiny. If you would like planning assistance for your next cruise, look me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at PixieDustAdventures.com and mention this video for a special onboard credit offer perk just for you. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
See you on the next one.